We were sent these octagonal gold placemats from U'Artlines to test out with our holiday decor, and oh my goodness, I'm so glad they did. The hollowed out design looks really elegant, especially when the light hits them. They're kind of placemats that make your table look done, even when you're not trying too hard. The vinyl material is sturdier than I expected, it's flexible but not flimsy, and it sits flat on the table without curling up at the edges. I love that they're non-slip. Once you set them down, they don't move around when you put plates or cups on them. Cleanup is super easy. If anything spills, you just wipe them off and they look brand new again. No stains, no weird marks, no scratches. They also handle heat really well, which is great for warm dishes or hot mugs. The gold color is so super pretty. It's not a tacky yellow gold, it is more of a soft metallic look, so it matches a lot of different decor styles. I've used them for everyday meals, but they also work perfectly for the holidays, dinner parties, or anytime you want the table to feel a little bit fancier. The quality is great and they instantly elevate the whole dining setup with almost no effort. If you want something that's elegant, easy to clean, and practical, these placemats are definitely worth it.